Hey guys! I know many of you have been asking me to do this one very specific tutorial, and I thought, finally, it's about time. So here she is, everyone's favorite hero, Guy Fieri. For this tutorial, I'm going to use an epic cosplay Apollo in Platinum Blonde. And what I'm going to do is flip it upside down and shake it like a Polaroid picture. Once every single weft layer is exposed and completely defenseless, you're just going to douse the whole thing in hairspray. Just get it real nice and sticky. You want it to be drowning in hairspray, like frosting on a Cinnabon. Would you take a look at that meaty boy? Now that your base is both defying the laws of gravity and human decency, we can go in and make the spikes extra funkalicious. To do this, you just grab chunks of hair like you would a saucy lover, hairspray, and blow dry. The goal is to completely disrespect the fibers, like just make sure they clump together. Really yank at the fibers so that you're exposing the wefts. That really shamalamas my ding-dongs. After you're done with that, it is now time to cut. Just hack away at it. No time to plan. The train to Flavortown waits for no man. We want this to be as choppy as possible. If you thought we made this poor thing suffer enough, you are dead wrong. You can't possibly call yourself a culinary gangster with normal spikes. Flip each weft layer like you'd flip a patty, and then douse it with hairspray, but more hairspray than you'd put on a burger. This'll make your hair fibers stand straight up, so everyone around you will know you're cooking up smiles. Now normally we'd square off the hairline to make it more realistic and alter the cap in some way. But I got a hot date in Flavortown tonight, so we're just gonna hot glue the hairline back. When you pinch the cap back, be careful not to burn yourself on the spicy hot glue. That's one saucy sucker you don't want to mess with. And with that, you've just finished a hairstyle so fresh it'll slap ya. But we're only halfway to becoming the mayor of Flavortown. We want to get his iconic facial hair that says Smash Mouth meets 70s cop. I took some wig trimmings and hot glued them to my face. Yes, it did burn. But not being able to take office as mayor of Flavortown would hurt even more. For the darker portion of the facial hair, we're going to want to use something subtle, like charcoal black. Just haphazardly draw it all over your face. You don't have to look like a respectable human being, not when you're an official of Flavortown. We're all done, but something still feels missing. Oh, that's right, backwards sunglasses to cover up the reptilian eyes in the back of my head. Let's go show the world just how money we look. Hey Tiff, wanna go with me to Flavortown? Hey Ashley, wanna go with me to Flavortown?
Oh my god. I'm in.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. I know becoming the mayor of Flavortown is very exciting, but never forget life's three greatest treasures: love, peace, and taco grease.